In this part of the lesson, I will show you how to install the preceding downloads that we just made. First, we'll begin by reviewing the list. We will install the software in the order provided below. The first item to install will be the Oracle Linux VirtualBox, which will be followed by the Oracle Database, and then the Oracle Business Intelligence Developer Client Tools installer, then the OBIEE drivers, which is the instant client, and the repository creation utility. You will notice that when I was downloading this software, I went all the way up to this point. Sometimes, because of the naming conventions of these files, they can create some confusion. So this item will be downloaded last, after all these other items have been installed, and then will be installed after all the 4 preceding steps have been taken care of. So for now, let's go ahead and start installing the software, starting with the VirtualBox. Now, to begin the installation process, let's go to the downloads of my computer. This is the entire list of items that have been downloaded so far. We will locate the VirtualBox, double click on it, click on Run, click Next, click Next again. Want to create a desktop shortcut, click Next, and then Yes. Go ahead and click on Install. This will take a few moments. Click on Install again. Install. You can select Always Trust Software from Oracle Corporation and click on Install. And that takes care of the installation of the VirtualBox.